Good day, sir. I am Arnold Lipas from Basic Criminology Second Year from Section Bravo. Today's video we're breaking down an important concept in criminal law. The differences between mala in se and mala prohibita. This Latin term often show up in law school, bar exams, and legal discussions. But the idea behind them are actually very intuitive. Let's get started. What is mala in se? Mala in se, the phrase mala in se literal means wrong in itself. These are acts that consider inherently evil, naturally immoral, or universally condemned by societies through history. Think of actions that violate fundamental moral principles things. Must people recognize as wrong even without a law telling them so? Examples: rape, kidnapping, robbery, arson. This crime typically involve intentional harm to others. Because of that, the punishment for mala in se offenses tend to be deemed to be more serious, and the mens area or criminal intent is a crucial element. Court generally assume that you should have known these acts were wrong because they violate basic human moral codes. ang mala ang mala prohibita. Now let's talk about mala prohibita, which means wrong because they are prohibited. These are acts that are not inherently immoral, but they are deemed unlawful because a law or regulation makes them illegal, often to maintain order, safety, or social efficiency. Examples: parking violations, driving with a license, jaywalking, fishing or hunting without a permit, failure to register a business. Regulatory offenses like violating buildings code or environmental rules. You'll notice something: these actions aren't morally evil in their own. Instead, they are legally wrong because society has created rules to regulate behavior. Mala in se, inherent evil, morally wrong, usually serious crimes. Mala prohibita, wrong only because the law says so, usually regulatory violence. Ang kalahian daw sa mala in se, sir, og kining mala prohibita is ang mala in se is kining gi-commit niya nga nasay intention nga mo kuan ana nga mo ya na giplano gina niya nga iyang i-commit, unlike sa kuan sa kining mala prohibita is na nakasuhan siya na or na natikitan nga sa violation sa like sa kanang sa rules of regulatory sa society, parehas sa mga parking area nga na mali sila og parking. Ug mao to, sir, yang salamat.